Greetings, fellow crafters. I have an unbagging to do, and this one's from a YouTuber who we all know and love. Stick around, we'll see what's inside. Okay, I have been waiting for this for a while. Ever since Crashley started doing those demonstrations on her Tuesday night live and did the Halloween one, I wanted one of those pens. And I wanted it. And so I ordered it and it showed up today. I don't remember how long it took. I will put that up on the screen somewhere. So apparently she uses Duck brand number 0. Okay. So what's going to be in here? Ah! Look at that! Rebecca, yes. I told her that her package came in and she went, "What, you ordered from me?" I'm going to struggle opening an envelope. It's my secret identity. Thank you so much. Thank you for your order. Enjoy your new Halloween goodies. Happy diamond painting. Crashley! Thank you, Crashley. Oh, look at this. Orange ribbon. And a trick-or-treat box. That is fantastic. I love it. Oh! And even a tombstone-shaped card for the orange pumpkin cover minder. Apparently the options for the cover minders was kind of messed up when I did it. So I got an email from, I don't know if it was Crashley or Kerwin, I don't know who handles that, but they were talking about, they asked, it's like, yeah, so there was no way for you to pick which color would you like? And I said, surprise me. So they got me, you gave me the orange one, which is awesome. My first real cover minder. And then this. Oh, look at that! Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. That's great, Crashley. Thank you. Oh, I love it. And this is one of her glow-in-the-dark pens. She's got a 3-placer on there, single placer. And she makes these with polymer clay. She did a tutorial, which I will link, it was a live, on how she makes the canes to do these. And it's fantastic. You can see all the sparkle in the black. Oh, that's great. Okay. So that is my order from Crafts with Crashley. I will put the link in the description below. I got this small pumpkin cover minder, which is so cute. I love it. And this lovely handmade glow-in-the-dark pen. So awesome. Okay, I'm going to let this charge here, and then I will come back once it's had a chance to charge to show you what glow-in-the-dark maybe later on tonight. Take care. Keep it spooky, guys.
Okay, so now the question is, how glowy is it? And yes, I know my voice is messed up. We don't need to talk about that. So, there's Crashley's pen. Let's see how glowy it is. I don't know if you can see that or not. I think it might have shown up for a second. Let's turn the light back on.
Attention trick-or-treaters, this is not, I repeat, not the bowl you're looking for, okay?
It's my bathroom ghost. Well, hopefully you'll be able to see that, and I'll put that on the end of the video. Keep it spooky, guys. Bye.